The question is, am I ready for help? But I want to show you something more fantastic. Look at the cat. Look at the light that's coming off of the cat. Watch the cat. I take away my hand. Look at the cat. Look at that light. What is that light? What is that blue light? Why? Does my hand give off the same light as the cat? What is the light passing through my hand? You can't see what you see on the cat, right? And as I come closer to it, you see what happens to it? It cuts. So can you see me? What do you see? You see the letter V, right? But it's more than a V. There's the inside of the V. There's the meat of the V. There's a separation of the rib. There's the meat and the beginning and the ends. But at the beginning, you're on the stitching. We have to put everything into a perspective of a logical, rational understanding and categorize it for 100% absolute in this world. Is number one the same in all the worlds? It probably is. Is number one always in the first position? Here's the thing. Pick a size. Pick a size. A. Now, when it comes to here, okay, this one is no longer A. This one becomes AC. This must be AC. Now, one of my questions is, should it be up here, the square, or down here, the square? You know, when we get to 3 and 4 separated from each other, right? Look at the size of 3 and look at the size of 4. So what does this mean? What does this mean? You know, I can put it up at this level. I can put it right over here. Sorry, over here. And then I can put it over here. And there's how many 3's inside of 4? There's 4 times 3 equals 4. Yeah, because I can take that and I can put it everywhere but in the center. But when I'm talking about a separation, if there's a separation by 1, 1 is supposed to mean a divider, which means 55. What 55 means is half and half. The thing is about half and half. If you're coming and going this way, and you're going in and we meet this way, and we meet right over here, we cannot meet on top of each other. Okay? So if you're moving in, right, and I'm moving in, would you be moving in? Which way would you be crossing over? I'm thinking right now. I'm just thinking. I'm thinking. How? Sorry, there's too many here, so maybe I'll look at it this way. How would? It's because this is a 4x3 row, right? So if that's a 4x3 row, right? And you see, in roulette, there's a 1 here also, right? So this is tilted one way. This can also be tilted the other way. There's a lot going on here. The reason I say it is because 1, 4, 7, 1. That's how it goes. 1, 4, 7, 1. But I believe this one is black. We have the black 10 and we have the black 28. If I was going the backwards alphabet and starting Z36, right, I'm not really allowed to start Z36, okay? Z36 would actually be telling me Z36, and then we got to go 25, we got to go 25, we got to go to K11, and that's your 26 letters of the alphabet. Now, if K was 11, and this is 36, we're starting on B, and we're ending on I. Why are we starting on B? 1 and 1 is 2, B. K is in the B family. So when you're starting from Z and counting the alphabet backwards, we're going from Z to K. Otherwise, Let me do it this way. Otherwise, what we're going to be doing, so when we do this over here, it's 29, and this one is 11 and 36, eating to 47. Jesus, give me the energy, time. The word in, of, 9 and 14, 15 and 6, 15 and 8. They're all, I'm not sure, I know how this one is made up. This one is made up by number 27, Venus Gate, Red Sun. This one is made up, and this one here is a passage. Of is a passage, and that passage is in 21 the cube. And what happens in this passage is when you see 15 and 6, what you're actually saying is that's what the dice cube looks like. 2, 5, 10, 14, 15, and 6, 21. Is that really what it's trying to say? And don't forget, this is going to say something else. This is going to say birth in the sun, 6, birth in the sun. Because the multiplication of 1 times 5, 1 plus 5, equals to 6, equals to 5. The multiplication and addition will equal back to your 11. Remember that 11. 10 and 11 are different. 4, 3, 4. Okay? Equals to 4 plus 3 plus 4 if you want. Okay? Equals to 11. But 3 plus 4 plus 3 equals to 10. So here you're going to have 7-11 cycle, and here you're going to have the 7-10 cycle, which is JG, because it takes A, B, C, D equals to 10 and 24. Multiplication by 1, 2, 3, 4 equals to 24. And the addition, okay, equals to 10. That is the 10th letter J and the 24th letter X. Also noted, okay, that 24, 2 plus 4 equals to 6, F, all right? And this one, where is it? This is J. The reverse alphabet of J is now Q. So we got F, we got Q. Where else are we? This is the 24th letter is X. The reverse of X is C. This is towards the 7th gate. It's the divided house of 6 and 8. 2 times 4, 2 plus 4. Look what happens on this dice cube. I can't go this way or this way from here. I can't start there. These are dots there. So I'm going to actually, we can do it this way. 2 dots, 3, 4, 4, just 4. So 6, H, we're going to have 2 dots on the 6, 1 dot on the 5, 1 dot on the 1, 0 dots on the 2. But at the same time, you're going to have a voided area. Look what we're going to do. We're going to start here. We're going to have 0 void 6, which means these 2 dots here are there. It means there's no empty space. But when you turn it, you have 2 empty spaces. 2 empty spaces. 5, 1, 2. 5, 1, 2 is void, void, void. 6 is 2 dots. So this is 6 of 8, void. But when you turn the dice cube this way, where's the number 6? You see the number, whoops, sorry, you see the number 6? We're going to turn the dice cube this way. 6, void, and this is the I position. I and H, remember, I and H, same cube. So you have 2. You have 2 for the 3, 3 void. And it's plus 2, 1 void. And then the 4 void. So if you look at it here, this one and this one, right? The 6 is that, no, let's not look at the 6 and the 4. We're going to look at the 6 and the 1. Here it's 2 and 1. Okay, but when the 6, okay, is going to be this way. When it comes to the 1 underneath, right? It's going to be 0 and 1. 0, 1. I got to make a video.